Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Tas Kabab. Basically, this is a beef and vegetable stew. Let's get straight into it. Now, when it comes to making Persian Tas Kabab, there are many different ways of doing it. I'm going to show you my way, which is a simpler way that's easy to cook at home. So the first thing we need is 2 brown onions, which are peeled. And we're just going to chop these up. It doesn't have to be too fine. Just like that. So we'll set that to the side for now. And we're going to bring across 3 carrots. And obviously we need to peel these first. And finally we'll bring across 4 washed potatoes. Just like our carrots, we want to remove the skin. Now with our potatoes, we just want to sort of slice them like that. So not too thick and not too thin. If you prefer, you can dice them, but this way it just looks nicer. And finally with our carrots, we're just going to slice them like normal. You want to try and get about the same thickness as our potatoes. So that's all our vegetables done. Now what I've got here is 1 kilo of diced beef chuck. Now chuck is a great meat to use for stewing. Now I am using beef, you can use lamb if you prefer as well. So let's move on to our stove. So just into a pot on a medium to high heat, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of oil. And the first thing we'll add is our onions. Now we just want to lightly cook our onions until they're nice and golden brown. Once your onions have browned, we're going to add in our beef straight in. And we just want to brown our meat now. So once your meat has started to brown, we're going to add in half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and we're going to add 2 big tablespoons of tomato paste. And lower your heat to low to medium. And we just want to carefully stir all this in. So what we're going to do now is add in a tablespoon of saffron water. Now this is optional, but a lot of people like to add fresh quince into it. What I like to do though is add in a teaspoon of quince paste, as it provides that sort of sweetness that you need. Stir that through as well. Now we'll add in our potatoes and carrots. And we're just going to cover all this with some cold water. And we'll add just a bit more, just to make sure it's well covered, just like that. So you're looking at about 4 to 5 cups. And now comes the fun part. Put a lid on your pot. We want to let this simmer for about 1.5 hours on a low to medium heat. So we'll check on it after an hour, give it a nice stir, and that's it. Okay guys, so we're at the 1 hour and 45 minute mark now. So let's have a look. And just have a look at that. We're left with a nice thick stew. All our vegetables are nice and cooked, and our beef is nice and tender as well. So guys, we're going to turn the heat off now, and we're ready to serve. And there we have it. I've just served it up with some Persian basmati rice with some saffron, and that's ready to be eaten. Alternatively, this can be served with bread, or it can just be served on its own as a complete meal, as you got your meat and your vegetables in there. I hope you like that guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you have any comments or suggestions, just leave them in the comments section, and I'll see you all next time.